What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to take a look here at Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at 1698, down 4.7 on the day. Sitting at a market cap of 206 billion, 24-hour volume, 17.32 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we've been invalidated a wave forward pullback. We've come all the way down to the golden ratio. So this impulse to the upside is no longer valid, so we can take this out. So now we have to focus on the scenario of a wave 2 pullback here. So to measure that wave 2 pullback, we can actually take this out as well. No longer looking at a wave 5 target. So what we may be looking at here is a large ABC correction where we've come down. And this is your A wave. We've had our wave B, and we're looking for a wave C. Now, to measure your wave 2 pullback, you can take your fib retracement from the bottom. As you can see, I pulled it from the bottom of the wave 1 all the way up to the top. And your minimum target is a 0.382 at about 1365. And I've pulled it down to the golden ratio at 1158. But of course, it can pull up to 99% of wave 1. So it can come down to the 0.786 or lower. But I do think if we were to remain bullish here, that you would want to see a bounce off this level. I'll drop in some price targets here on the 0.382 at about 1367 and the golden ratio at about 1163 for Ethereum. Now, this is a key level that we're getting rejected from. As I mentioned in previous videos, I said look for a push up to the 0.5, and that's exactly what happened. We pushed right up to the 0.5, and that's currently where we're getting rejected. So if we start to roll here and we see a significant drop in price, then we could still be putting in that wave 5, which is my expectation that this is a, oh, sorry guys, this is a wave 4 pullback, and we're still looking for one more wave down in the market to bring you down to about 500 to about 626. We did just have the bullish cross of the EMAs, but of course it can be a bit of a false signal in a bear market. We have been creating a higher high while creating a lower high in the RSI, and money is flowing out on the daily, as we've been mentioning, which can be early signals of a sell-off. Now, if we look at Ethereum here on this chart, you can see this is a major level of resistance that we're getting rejected from. We broke out of this bull flag, we back tested it. So we'll see if we do come down, we invalidate this bull flag, we lose the EMAs. Potentially we could see a large drop for Ethereum. Now, the bullish scenario here is that we bounce from this level, we see continuation to the upside, and we still put in that wave 3. But as of right now, we were looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's been invalidated. So if we do bounce and break these highs, we have to look at an alternative wave count. But if we start to come down here, we can look for a 5-wave structure within our wave C. So potentially, I'll just, I'm going to remove the wavelength really quick here. Okay, perfect. So potentially what we could be looking at is that this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback, this is a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and create a wave 1 of the wave C. So we'd create a wave 1, we'd have a wave 2 pullback, something like this, and you see a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and complete that C wave that could take you all the way down in between 1163 and 1367. We now have to focus on that scenario because we invalidated that, because we invalidated this as a wave 4 pullback. So this more bullish scenario that we're going to see an extended wave 1 is the less likely scenario. As you can see here, we've also basically lost the support of this channel. If I drop in a couple of trend lines here, we broke down. So your technical target is down here at about 1563. If we do come down and lose this low, that would confirm that you are going to come down for that wave C in between about 1163 and about 1367. I think it's a little bit less likely now that we do bounce from this level. But if that were to happen, where we bounce and we come up and break this high, we'll have to look at an alternative wave count for our wave 3. All right, guys, that's it for this ETH update. Big shout out to the Discord where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades at only 10 USD per month, as well as my chart analysis, usually before I put out videos. And you also have access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and you can sign up through the Patreon link. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial up to $4,500 in bonuses over there. You can follow me on IG, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.